My name is John Tolliver. From Simply Sapphires. We're located in the Hudson Valley region in New York, and I came down to visit Rocky and learn about the GemLightbox. Overall, I'm more than impressed by everything about it. I brought a variety of different stones that we looked at using the GemLightbox and photographed. We did both videos and single shots. I also brought along a couple pieces of jewelry. And I also brought along my own phone because I wanted to test it using my own phone, my own jewelry, my own gemstones. It exceeded every expectation I had from the start to the finish. One of the things that I really enjoyed about it was 5 or 10 minutes into the demonstration, I was doing it myself. So it didn't take a lot of preparation or detailed knowledge for me to jump right in and start photographing stones and jewelry. The benefits I see over a conventional setup is the simplicity. The background color becomes white for every image, and that's something that I've always had challenges with. The other thing that I really enjoyed was I bought a variety of different colored stones, yellow sapphire and white sapphire in particular, which I've always had difficulty photographing. I also brought along a ring that contained a sapphire, diamonds, white gold, brushed gold, and the system performed superb. I can't say enough good things about what I've seen today. I'm really looking forward to getting mine shipped and using it at home, because after seeing the demonstration, I ordered one today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, John.
Thank you
so much.
Ready?
We're starting with a Rhodolite Garnet. I had brought along a different variety of stones, and Garnet is one that I always had a problem with the color coming out well on it. So we set it up. The camera took about 10 seconds to set up. And now we're going to start the turntable to try to capture it. And as you can see, the color is spectacularly accurate. It's showing every facet of the stone. You see that there's no background color whatsoever. So this is, I'm able to use this image directly on the website. And if I want, I'll save the image. This is a color change sapphire ring. I figured this one would be a good thing to try because, as you can see, it has both brushed gold and polished gold on it and diamonds. So to do this image, I take this, put it right on the turntable,
Center it.
center it.
So I'm just going to put it in the center.
Yep.
Yeah.
And again, then I just take my camera phone, put it back up here. There's the ring. Adjust the light as necessary. And there's my beautiful ring. And as you can see, it's showing the brushed gold really well. It's showing the diamonds really well. Everything about it. The sapphire is nice and detailed. And so now if I want to take an image, I take an image. I can save it. If I want to do a video, again, nice and simple. All I do is switch the video mode. Adjust the lighting. There we go. And then start the video. And you can see the inside of the ring is shown in great detail. It does a 30-second video. The turntable is moving slow enough that you can see the detail on the ring. And then as soon as it finishes it stops. I go ahead, give the ring a name, and then I'm saved. The image is saved to my phone. And again, the thing that I really like about this system is I won't need to touch this up on Photoshop. I can take this image and put it directly on my website, send it to a customer, do whatever I need to do.
Thank you so much for coming down for the demonstration.
Happy to. I really enjoyed the visit.
Thank you so much.
Will look forward to using my own GemLightbox at home pretty soon.
And my last question for the other jewelers that are still considering on purchasing the GemLightbox, what would your recommendation for these jewelers be?
I highly recommend the GemLightbox for a couple of reasons. Number one, the setup is easy and complete. I think anybody could do it. Number two, I'm really impressed by the software and how the software integrates with any phone. Like I said, I brought my Android phone down here. It's a Pixel, and I figured that would be a challenge. It wasn't a challenge. It was working 2 minutes after I got here. There's nothing that I've found so far, and I brought a variety of different stones to test on it, and I highly recommend anybody who's thinking about photographing jewelry or gemstones to give it a try.
Thank you so much.
Glad to do it.